Ops, wait lang, wag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre, magbibigay mo tayo ng ating word of the day at sagutin natin itong katanungan na to na which is board exam question to. December 2021 during my time lumabas po to. Who argued that a criminology absolutely not a science? Ang sabi dito is napakasimple lang po. Sino daw dito yung nagsabi na ang criminology daw ay absolutely not a science, no? We have letter A, Edwin Sutherland, letter B, Donald Creasy, letter C, George Wilker or George Wicker, tsaka yung letter D natin, all of the above. Actually, sa live sana natin to kagabi, kaso medyo nag-interrupt yung signal natin, lalo't na nandito tayo sa isla, so mahina yung signal natin, kaya ngayon, sagutin na lang natin dito sa ating word of the day sa pang-umaga. Okay, now, actually class, itong pagpipilian natin na Alpha, Bravo, tsaka Charlie, pareho yan. Yun yung mga tao na which is mga famous in the field of criminology at pareho yang nagsabi na ang criminology is not a science. Pareho yan silang tatlo. Kaso ang tanong kasi dito class is specific. Kasi ang tanong kasi sa atin dito, sino daw yung nagsabi na absolutely not a science ang criminology? So the correct answer natin dito is walang iba kundi si George Wilker or si George Wicker. Charlie po ang sagot natin dito. Bakit mo nasabi kanina sir na silang tatlo nagsabi na not a science? Ganito kasi yung class. Ito kasi si Edwin Sutherland tsaka si Donald Creasy, sinabi din nila na ang criminology is not a science. Pero ang sabi ni Edwin Sutherland, it has hope or it has a chance to become a science. Unlike kasi sa sinabi ni George Wilker na sinabi niya talaga ang criminology absolutely not a science. So ibig sabihin, ang sabi niya, ang criminology ay hindi kailanman magiging science yan. Pero ang sabi kasi ni Edwin Sutherland at Donald Creasy, yes, it is not a science but it has hope to become a science. So, ibig sabihin, may chance na maging science. Kaso kasi, ang tanong sa atin dito is napaka-specific na mismo stated talaga yung word na absolutely not a science. Sino nagsabi nun? The correct answer is si George Wilker nga. Okay, the correct answer is Charlie. In addition lang, si Edwin Sutherland natin, yan yung nag-coin ng word na criminology na ginamit natin ngayon. At kung makita nyo sa pagpipilian, yung criminology na word, si Edwin Sutherland ang nag-coin yan. At saka si Edwin Sutherland is the dean of criminology po natin. And tandaan natin, ang ating criminology ay may definition yan. Depende kung ano yung tinatanong. Actually, napakarami ng definition ng criminology. Pero kapag tinatanong lang sa atin, criminological definition of criminology, ang isagot natin yung definition na ginawa ni Edwin Sutherland. Yung sinabi niyang, it is the study of knowledge regarding crime as a social phenomenon. It includes making of laws, breaking of laws, and the reaction towards of breaking of laws. That is considered kay Edwin Sutherland, that is criminological definition of criminology. Pero kapag ang binanggit sa atin, legal definition of criminology, ang isagot natin is yung nasa batas mismo under Republic Act 11131 na sinabi doon, it is the scientific study of crimes, criminals, and the victims. It also deals with the prevention and solution of crime. Kaya pag tinatanong tayo, sa ngayon, ang criminology, science po ba or hindi? Based po sa ating sinabing definition according to the law, ang sabi niya po, scientific study. So it means criminology under the Republic Act 131, it is considered science na po siya. Okay, kasi nga sabi scientific study. Okay, so yun. So pag binanggit lang sa atin dito class, absolutely not a science, pasok yan kay George Wilker. So paano? Yan lang muna sa akin. At syempre, ito pa din ang inyong lingkod, your Mr. of the Day, Emmanuel the Master Schumann, Villa Isabela Carlos sa CBRC National Tour and registered criminologist, nagsasabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa board examination, kailangan natin ng baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulat, and share, tsaka sabi ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag, at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all.